Hello. Hey, I wanted to show you my Miller Milan clock. The Howard Miller part number for this clock is the 613-212. This particular one was made in the year 2000. I have another one that was, I'm pretty sure it was manufactured a little bit earlier than that. It could be 1997, 98, but I'm really not sure. There's a couple differences in the older one and the newer one. The older one, the clock, the door on the clock closes with two magnets, and it just plays Westminster chimes. This one, 2000 model, closes with these nifty little ball detent things, one on the top, one on the bottom, and here's on the door. And also, this one has it plays Westminster chimes, but it also has a silent option, which apparently makes my wife quite happy, so she doesn't have to listen to the chiming. It's let me see, it's key wound, and it has the chime side and the strike side are both spring wound, but the center, which is for the time, that's controlled by the weights. So you end up having two keys, and the key for the strike and chime, and the crank for winding up the weights for the time side. So let's hear what the chimes sound like. And a quarter after. And half past. .45. And here's 8 o'clock. I'm going to do this with the door closed. So. So anyway, that is the Howard Miller Milan jeweler's regulator, and it's a very, very nice clock. If you happen to be able to find one, I see them on eBay every once in a while. They're a really nice clock. I think the case is all made of cherry wood, and it uses a let me see, not an ergos movement. I forget the name of the movement. I'll put it in the I'll put that in the description. So and that's it. I hope you like this short little video. It's a beautiful clock. If you get the chance to get one, I highly recommend it. Thanks. Bye.